All right, we're going to run over exporting a Piskel, putting it into your Scratch project. Here's probably the easiest way to do this that I've seen so far, and I will thank Brian DeWitt on doing this. So just a quick one, 3 frames. I called it Explosion. So we know that it's saved to gallery. Here it's just saved called Explosion. So all I have to do now is hit export, Mountain in the Moon, hit export. We're going to leave it as a GIF or a GIF, depending on how you pronounce it. And I'm just going to hit download. Okay, it says it downloaded GIF. I'm going to tell it to show me in folder because my downloads thing is huge. And once I go to my downloads folder, show in folder, anytime. There we go. It says your downloads folder is massive. Take some things out of it. I just have to erase all of it at some point in time. All right, so here it is. So this GIF, I just take it and I right click on it and I copy it and then I put it someplace where I can find it. I'm going to go to my P drive and I'm going to go to a Scratch folder and I'm just going to right click on it and I'm going to hit paste. So I pasted that GIF somewhere where I can find it, and now I'm going to open up my Scratch project, 3-put my stuff. I think mine's called Fireworks, so I'm just going to open it up. I've already got a few fireworks in there, and I'm going to put another one in. So I'm going to go ahead and see inside. And this time I'm going to add one called Explosion. So you hit the upload thing here. And from your upload thing, you go find the GIF, which should be right there because that's where I put it. Oh, there it is. Okay, Explosion. I hit open. Now here's the cool thing. This is what's cooler than the other pieces. You can go to costumes and the costumes are already in there. The only issue is the very first one has a white background, and so we just have to take that out. So I'm going to do just a little erasing because I put in those 2 dots by accident, and I just do a little bit of erasing. And then the other thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go here to where it says pour paint, and then this red slash means nothing. So find all the white and replace it with nothing. Bang, and it's there. So now I've got this explosion in the sky. All right, and its costumes are already there, and that's kind of fun. All right, so there's what the rest of them look like, and it's way too big, but I'll show you how to code this thing real quick too. So we're going to go into scripts, and I'm just going to actually copy a code from my smiley face, and I'll go through some of this, but I'm going to drop it in here to this, and I'm going to drop this other one in here too. So now I'm going to pop over to this guy here, check out the code, and we're going to go through this a little bit. Number one, it's going to set the size smaller. It's going to play some sort of sound, which I'll probably just I'll bring in an explosion one, and I'll change this to an explosion firework. It's going to hide when it shows. It's going to set the size much smaller. It's going to switch costume to its very first one, Explosion 0. There is only 2 animations or 3 things, so I only need to change costume twice. This is the repeat that changes the next costume and it makes it a little bigger. And then this ghost effect, all this does down here is it makes it go away. Last but not least, this is now a new clone, and this is called Explosion. So I go over here and I just go ahead and I retake another one of these guys. I duplicate it by right-clicking. If type is 4, create a clone of Zambi. If type is, we'll make this 5. We'll create a clone of Explosion, and then I'll still put in the wait 3 seconds. Don't forget this. You won't like it if it doesn't do it. And then I'm going to change the random generator here from 1 to 5. So this random generator generates a number between 1 to 5. Depending on what it is, it creates a clone of that particular thing. All right. So we already looked over here, and it plays a sound. It sets a size. It switches costume to the first costume. It goes to a random place. It goes off. Things should work well. Let's find out.